Now at 6, the Republican running for mayor of Indianapolis will attend the Indy Pride Parade this weekend, despite being asked not to. When news broke yesterday that Senator Jim Merritt planned on marching, GLAAD, an LGBTQ advocacy group, criticized that move. Indy Pride then said he was not welcome at Saturday's parade due to his voting history. Merritt has been an Indiana state senator since 1993. In 2014, he voted to ban same-sex marriage in Indiana. Then in 2015, he voted in favor of the Religious Freedom Restoration Act. Merritt did release a statement to RTV6 this afternoon. It reads in part, "I own every vote that I have made in the legislature, but that does not mean I have not learned along the way and that I would make the same votes today." As mayor of Indianapolis, he goes on to say, "My constituency would be different than it has been in my Senate district. I will represent all citizens of Indianapolis."